they're going, like they're not super, super fresh, try to make sure they're organic, but I mean, if they're going bad or little wastes and stuff, it's okay. Like, just use it. So our celery, onions, garlic, turmeric, ginger, and I live for fresh thyme and tomatoes, so you already know the vibes. That's we're using what we have. So these beautiful, still beautiful. Yeah, still beautiful. Yeah, a little bit older, but still beautiful. And then I wanted to say this parsley is going bad, but we can salvage a lot of the stems because they actually have a very robust flavor.
Have our ingredients. Sure, show this. I'm just adding a little bit more cold water. This is just to fill up the pan. I usually will add all the ingredients and then continue to fill up until it reaches the brim, because this really evaporates over the span of time that it's cooking. You know that song? If you don't, it sucks. Look it up. It's a funny song. It's giving dish soap. Okay, guys. So you can see the turmeric's actually really getting into the color of this. You can tell by the hue, which is lovely. So again, we're bringing this to a rolling boil, and then I'm going to turn the heat down and just kind of let it just be like a little bit of a bubble and a very low simmer for the next 2 hours, and then we're going to check on it. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. Also gonna just add, I try to be really careful with this at the beginning because add too much, it's over. Just pick Himalayan salt. You can also use gray salt. Just try to keep it away from iodized salt, table salt, shit like that. Mineralized. And some other things. Hey guys! Dishes are clean. Okay, I just want to show you guys the progress. You see? It's kind of just like a little bubble. And the turmeric is really doing the do. It's more yellow than it is golden, but the bones are breaking down nicely. I kind of just skimmed a little bit of just the scum off, so that I could, guys, no copyright, we're just having a dance party right now. With this broth, we're about an hour and 10 minutes in. Things are starting to kind of break down. Everything's breaking down nicely. We're still fairly beginning. About an hour and 15 in. I'll show you guys over time. My stove is on 4, so it's just kind of just like a rolling simmer. Looks like a swamp. Trust the process, guys. Okay. Hey guys, okay. We're now an hour and 45 minutes in. We've got a nice color so far. I'm liking the color. Everything is just continuing. We're 2 hours in. 6:03. So, I think just more deepening. Okay, I'm just not gonna talk. This is progress after 2 hours. I gotta run out, so I'm like, should I leave this on the stove? Don't think that's a good idea, unless it's on simmer. We'll see, but anyways, this is the progress. Guys, back from my visit, and I left my my little bitty bit on the stove, and she's killing it. So we're 3 hours in. Come on now, Sade, we have been this. So I think I'm gonna leave it for 1 more hour and see how it goes on a low simmer. Cowabunga! Like such a eyes, I'm very much proud. Oh. Life. More life over there. Oh.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Life. Beautiful long hours.